Hi, I'm Dr. Tal Friedman, the head naturopathic doctor here at Chiva-Som. Today I have a quick tip for you about portion control. My favorite tip about portion control is to use the size of your own hand. I like using hands for portion control because my hand is relative to my size and your hand would be relative to your size. So how do we use our hands for portion control? Firstly, let's talk about protein. The portion of protein for each meal, if you're eating about 3 meals a day, the size of your palm, about this big, and in 3D space, about that thick. So this could be for eggs, for meats, chicken, fish, even tofu. So one portion for each meal for 3 meals a day. The next thing would be to look at vegetables. This would be green vegetables, not just potatoes. So stuff like kale, spinach, salads, things like that. So for green veggies, you want it to be about this big, the size of your fist. The last one is everybody's favorites, carbohydrates. So this could be rice, pasta, potatoes, even fruit would fall into this category. So for carbohydrates, you want a cupped hand, like this. Not really big, but kind of flatter. And again, about one of those for each meal, 3 meals a day. Now, if you're very active, you could be eating a bit more. And if you're not active and looking for sustainable weight loss, you could eat a little bit less. But these are about the averages. Now, this is a great tip whether you're cooking for yourself at home or even eating out at a restaurant. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks very much.